Hi everyone, it's Lizina here with Victoria Carpet Care, and today what we're going to be talking about is carpet stretching and carpet repairs. So we've all seen it. Sometimes you get those waves or those ripples in the carpet, which can be actually a tripping hazard and not very attractive to look at. So that is something that we at Victoria Carpet Care can help you with. We use a special machine, not just a knee kicker, as many of you have seen before in the past. And we're really familiar with many carpet repairs. We've been doing this for over 20 years. Also, what's great to know is that when you book an appointment to have this done, we can also have your carpets professionally cleaned, most times in one appointment. So that's super convenient. So my name again is Lizina with Victoria Carpet Care. We serve both the Comox Valley and Victoria. If you would like to book a free quote for your carpet stretching, carpet repairs, or carpet cleaning, if you're in Victoria, give us a call at 250-474-7777. Or if you're in the Comox Valley, you can reach us at 250-589-5454, and we'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.